Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I wanted to show you a few things. The mail came in. I have some Happy Mail. I have some birthday, and I found some things on clearance. Although three things are upstairs I don't have here. I found this Elvira doll at Walmart. And yes, I am going to open her up because she won't hold value. Very few people know who Elvira is anymore, but boy, I love this character. She is a beautiful woman in her makeup, getup, I should say. Darren has been buying me items every day this month because it's my birthday month. This was on my computer this morning. He does that all the time, not just birthday month. He leaves, he'll print stuff on the 3D printer and then he'll leave it on my computer for me. Little surprises. He does that quite often. Birthday month, I find stuff very often. All right, I am going to not worry about opening this so nice. Y'all don't need to see, look what you didn't get list. And of course it comes with this. I think these purses are the cutest thing. Look here, Carrie, I got the one you were, wasn't it Carrie that was hoping for this one and got it? I think these little purses are so cute. And I can't remember, does this one open? There's a slot, but it doesn't open. Isn't that adorable for the fancy girl that plays basketball or who is dating a basketball player? Oh, that's so cute. All right, he also got me, I don't think I have everything in here. He bought me 3 little purses, which I've already shown on my channel for the Barbies, the little $5.99 Barbies from
There are 5 of them.
Was there 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. There were 2 and then 3. Yeah, that's right. I got 5 new little purses for Barbie. And these books, one a day, were on my computer. And that was a lot of fun. Wait till you see this. Oh, I couldn't believe this.
Those are pattern books.
Yeah.
You can't talk
Yeah,
them.
I should have said. I should have. And they're really, really, oh, I can't wait to get in here. I can't wait to have the time to sit down with a pattern and take the full day or 2 days to make these outfits. Really, really cute. This one's all in Japanese, but you can follow the pictures. And then this one, oh, these are just really cute. Look at this. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous. I'm looking for the paper doll because all of the little, they show the outfit on the doll and then they also have it like a paper doll. But I don't know. Tell me in the comments, shouldn't there be a paper doll back here? But I haven't found it. Anyway, those are really cool. And then the other morning, we have a big front porch that we sit on. And I love wind chimes. Love them. My dad had wind chimes in our tree out on the patio, and we absolutely loved it. And I like it because when I sit in the living room, I can hear how windy it is out. We won't put this out yet. See the sea turtles? How cute is that? We won't put this out yet because this is heavy storm time. I won't put this out till probably we start sitting out there more like mid-April. So I got these and I wanted to, I set up a collab for April, and I'm not going to say the date, but I'll say I think it's the 23rd, to make this dress out of this pattern. And I have 6 patterns, and I only got 4 names. If you would like to do this, I am happy to send you a pattern to join us. If you have this pattern and you'd like to join in, we'd love to have you. Leave it in the comments and I will contact you. I got this from one of my, well, dear friends, who is also a subscriber. Oh, I want to be careful. Let's see. See, she tapes like I do. This is from Amanda Milo. And look at the print, the wrapping paper. Isn't that the cutest? I love it. All right, let me see. I should have got my bigger scissors, huh? Let's see what I got here. Gosh, I want to be careful because I have no idea what it is. You know, you don't think it's breakable, but
And
could
we
be.
knew her before YouTube existed.
Long time before YouTube existed. She is a wonderful person. She is a writer. She is an animal owner. She is just a funny, fun person. I'll flip that back over. It's got the addresses on it. Let's see what the card says. We thought about giving you a designed, sophisticated, elegant birthday card, but we were afraid if we did, you might not know it was from us. I will read all this later, but isn't that cute? She and I both years ago used to have donkeys. Oh God, how we loved our donkeys. Look at this little, I'm gonna carry that for, on Mondays to my library yarns. Oh wow. Oh wow. I think there is fabric in here. Thank you so much, Amanda. This is the cutest. And we have, Darren and I, each year on our channel, host on May the 4th, Star Wars. Anything Star Wars. Anything you want to show. Dress your dolls in Star Wars. Show us Legos. Show us your sets. All of your old or new Star Wars figurines. I also got a Happy Mail from Tammy Polly. And I wanted to mention that Tammy and Terry, Tammy from Peacecraft Dolls and Terry from Tapping Flamingo, have set up the virtual Blythe retreat. If you are available the weekend of June 16th, you may want to find out more. Go to Tammy or Terry's channel, and they have made their announcements on when and where and what they're doing. That feels like there's, nope, felt like there was something else in there. Oh, what could this be? Tammy, you are the sweetest. I get Happy Mail from Tammy all the time. She is such a sweetheart. We do collabs together. Tammy is just a good person. And Terry, too. Oh, my God, is that cute. I'll bet that's for Elowen. Here's Tammy's cards, Peacecraft Dolls. Oh, my God, this is gorgeous. You know, that might fit my Smart Doll. My Smart Doll's down here. We're going to try that on in a minute. Let me push this aside, and let's open some mail that came from, what do I do with the scissors? AliExpress. Supposed to be some Smart Doll stuff in here. Funny how I've been ordering that, isn't it? I have been shopping for my next Smart Doll. I hesitated twice on ones I wanted, but I think that's okay because I really like one in particular called Reflection, and I think she's going to be the one I get. They're not inexpensive, so I kind of want to take my time deciding my next one. Oh, these are Smart Doll eyes. There are 4, and they are green. I like those a lot. Why are there 4? Because I'm going to need 4. Why? Because, well, you know, Darren has a 3D printer. Oh. Okay, here is a wig that I ordered for Smart Doll. Should have bangs. Yep, has bangs. I'm not going to pull that out. These are really nice. I get these on AliExpress. They've gone up. They're almost $14 now. But you get the silicone head cover with that. And boy, that makes a difference. My Smart Doll's wig, I could not get it to stay on. I mean, if I moved her, it fell off. And she has the new orange non-slide head cap, or whatever we call that piece. and it was still sliding terrible. But I put that silicone wig cap on, and it stays. I really like it. What do we got here? Oh, let's go this way. Oh, two more wigs. Okay. I also got the blonde and pink wig. These were a lot cheaper. I think these were $8 something when I bought them, and now they're almost double in price. That's disheartening. Every time you go somewhere, the prices are doubling. Oh, it's terrible. All right. Oh yeah, this is for my smart doll too. This is cute. It's a winter, well, yeah, winter if you live in Florida. Little, or you're staying inside, or you can wear a coat over it to your friend's house if they keep the heat up. This is a, oh, what do you call it, knitty little sweater. These are so cute. I found these on AliExpress. They have several different kinds, and I really like that one. I thought that'd be real cute with a little Christmas print skirt. Let me go get my smart doll, but I'll bet this is for my Elowen doll. Nope, this is for my 1/4 scale doll, not my 1/3. Do you know why they call this 1/3 and then the 18-inch 1/4 scale and your Barbies are 1/6? What that means is compared to a 6-foot person, human being, this doll is 1/3 that size. 18-inch is 1/4 that size. The 12-inch dolls are 1/6, so it takes 6 of those to make the scale of 6-foot person. Amanda and Tammy, thank you so much. I will get this on my Elowen doll. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.